Yo, this car is insane. The straight pipe makes the car so much louder. It's insane. And it shoots flames. This car is just crazy. Throughout the video, you'll definitely hear some loud bangs. It is so fun to drive this car, even though I'm averaging 22 liters per 100 kilometers, which is insane. I was not expecting that much, but it is worth every penny. You can hear the pops a little bit now, but sometimes it just shoots like bombs on a stock map too. This car was not tuned. The only thing that is not OEM is the exhaust. There's basically nothing there right now. I decatted the car so there are no cats, no resonator, and I disconnected the mufflers because they were quieting down the car very much, surprisingly. I did not expect that. So basically it is just yeah, you can hear the pops now. But it sounds so amazing. It doesn't sound like your typical V8. You can hear a different kind of sound that gives it the M character, I would say. Yo, that one was crazy. That one was really loud. God damn. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's insane that this car is pretty much stock except the exhaust, that you can do this on a stock map. That's insane. Like, it is definitely not as loud on the video, but in real life it's like somebody shooting a gun next to you. That's crazy. I would say the only downside is the fuel consumption, especially in these times when fuel prices are out of the roof, but you gotta pay to play. But seriously, taking everything into consideration, this is like, don't want to jinx it, but one of the best reliable M cars that you can buy. And when you have hit the perfect downshift, it is so much cooler. to drive this car, or more, even more rewarding than cool, I guess I should say. Damn, I can't even speak properly driving this car. Traction control blinking up, that's crazy. This car just shoots all the time, that's insane. I wanted to try how this car would sound straight pipe, so I disconnected the catalytic cats from the headers, and it didn't sound like this at all, but it was shooting like twice as much. It was like every time I let off the throttle above 2000 RPMs, it would just shoot so much, like even like multiple times. These roads are so bad, so many potholes, like sewers and stuff. So insane. This is crazy. Every time you want to shift from like higher RPMs, the car just shoots so loudly. Insane. Those downshifts to second, that's crazy. Oh! I hope you are getting the same enjoyment out of this video as me. Oh my God! That's crazy. I hope you saw that little kid waving at me. Every time a little kid waves at you, you have to rev and make them a car guy for life, so he can get a beautiful car just like this. That boy is going to love M5s for the rest of his life, I bet. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little POV video, and see you in the next one.